What's up, THENX athletes? Today I'm going to show you a six-pack abs workout that you can do anywhere.
What's going on, Save Squad? Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of Chris Heria from THENX's workouts. If you don't know who Chris Heria is or who THENX is, he does a ton of calisthenics and bodyweight workouts and exercises, so he's an awesome channel. I'm going to go ahead and link him down in the description below. But right now I'm going to review one of his ab workouts that you can do anywhere. And at the very end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and rank and give my analysis on the entire workout so you guys can decide if you want to include this into your workout routine. Without any further ado, let's jump into this.
High knee taps. We're gonna go for 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's go for it.
Korea music.
Make sure to stay breathing, guys. Just regulate that breathing. And this is gonna be a piece of cake. So right now we're getting our whole body moving, getting that heart rate up to start burning that fat. And this is also gonna get our body ready so that when we move into those harder core exercises, it's really gonna take a stronger effect because we get everything fired up. Whew. All right, next one we have Russian twists. Let's go right into it. So legs up, keep those legs straight, touch one side, touch the other side. Keep that core tight, regulate that breathing.
Ooh, Russian twist.
Don't give up, guys, we're just getting started. Pace yourself. If you can go fast, challenge yourself, go for it.
Why are each of these 45 seconds long?
Take it easy, chill. Eventually you're gonna get a lot better at this. The most important thing is to make sure that your form is on point and everything else will progress. But we're on our way to six-pack abs, baby. Keep those
six-pack abs, baby.
All right. Next exercise.
Man, let's work a lot of your hip flexors.
It's leg raises.
Leg raises, baby.
You guys ready for that? Let's go for it. All right, so all the way up, all the way down, and you want to come about 6 inches off the ground. Make sure you're going all the way up and all the way down. Keep those legs straight.
Make them a little bit harder.
Korea music.
Oh yeah, I definitely feel the burn in these.
Korea music.
Here we go, almost there, guys. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, here we go.
All right, not too bad so far.
Next move, we have hip raises.
Elevating my heart rate for sure.
All right, here we go, guys. This move, form is everything. Legs straight out, tight, tight together. You're gonna bring them in, and you'll bring your body up, back down, straight out. Let's go for it. Form is everything on this one, guys.
Oh, these are really good for the lower abs.
Keep that breathing.
Korea music.
Whew. All right. Now you're starting to feel it, hopefully. Okay, so the next move we have is flutter kicks. Let's go right into those.
All right, Chris. Feeling pretty good so far.
Legs straight, core tight from this position. One leg up, one leg down.
Again, if you want to make these harder.
So this is an excellent move for tightening that core, strengthening that core, and also burning that fat. This is one of my favorites. I literally started off on this move right here. This is one of the first ones I ever did for abs. This is one of those excellent moves that targets that lower core. That's normally one of the most hardest places to hit. Now let's go for some.
Oh, feeling pretty good. Plank, use the elbow.
Angle to target those abs. All right, and also different flex.
Heart rate elevated, abs, not too bad.
I'm gonna bring one knee up, come back down, other one up, come back down. Let's go for it.
These are definitely hitting the obliques.
It's all about control. Keep that core tight the whole time, guys. Don't ever loosen it. That's the most important part. Bring those knees up. All right. So now we're gonna switch it up again.
I really do enjoy these breaks.
We're gonna go into chair sit-ups.
They're great.
In this position, you wanna keep
Chair
up.
sit-ups.
So that way you're automatically engaging that core. Then we're gonna put our hands, let's start with one side first. Activate that core. Keep that core tight. Keep these feet up. This one is an ab killer, guys. If you're doing this with me, hang in there. We're almost there. Regulate that breathing. You guys go up, try to go up, try to touch the ceiling. You guys really want to reach for it. Here we go, we're almost there.
Feeling the quads on that one.
So the next one we're gonna go for is seated in and outs.
Seated in and outs.
Different angle.
Oh, I like In-N-Out Burger.
That core tense.
Does that count?
Right back in.
Extra cheese.
Let's go for it. Make sure to go all the way out, all the way in. Form is everything, especially if there's a lot of beginners watching this right now. You want to start with perfect form because you're going to grow off of perfect form. You start with sloppy form.
Man, these are really killing my
go off of that sloppy form. You don't want that.
hip flexors right now.
If you need to stop, take that break, but keep going. Don't give up no matter what. All right, we're gonna build that discipline. That's just as important as working out. Because you're only as good as you continue to push. So, with that said,
I feel like my hip flexors hurt the worst on that one.
Exercise, guys. We have jumping jacks.
Jumping jacks.
This is gonna really finish off the job right here. Get us those six-pack abs coming in.
Jumping jacks.
Here we go.
Piece of cake.
So this is the last exercise, guys. Push it as hard as you can. This one you don't want to stop. You want to give this everything we got at this last exercise. Build that discipline. That's what's first going to allow you to go on that extra reps, go on that extra time. And eventually, your strength is going to catch up with it. You're going to progress super quick. But it's all in the mindset. We're almost there, almost there. Here we go. 5 seconds. Hard, hard, hard.
All right, guys, so that was solid little workout. I mean, definitely got the hit incorporated in that ab workout. So that was the first round of 4 total rounds, so 3 more rounds after that. It was definitely a solid ab exercise. Definitely hit the lower and the upper abs a lot more than the obliques. So overall, as an ab workout, as you can see, I was kind of struggling there at the end. For sure, keeping that tension, that time under tension on those abs is for sure gonna burn you out. So 4 total rounds, I think is a bit more than just for beginners, but I think start off with however many rounds you can do, work your way up to 4 rounds, but This is definitely not one of those things that you do after a workout. This is one of those things that you do instead of a workout. For any of you guys that want to use this workout for your next ab workout, I would definitely try to say perfect the very first set as well as you can before moving on to the second set, because you don't want to start doing that second set before you can even do all of the exercises for 45 seconds, because it's not going to mean anything unless you can get one full set with proper form and do it perfectly. So with that being said, all of you guys that are beginners, definitely look at this video and check it out. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down in the description. Go ahead, smash that like button for me, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I want to see you guys back again tomorrow. Chris Heria, solid workout. I'm gonna go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10. And with that being said, have a fantastic rest of your day.